Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious raspberry cocktail. First, gather your fresh ingredients. About 10 to 12 ripe raspberries, 1½ ounces of your favorite vodka or gin, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon or lime juice, and ½ ounce of simple syrup. Remember to chill your serving glass beforehand for the best experience. This preparation ensures a refreshing and perfectly balanced drink. Now let's build our cocktail. Place your fresh raspberries into a cocktail shaker. Using a muddler, gently press the raspberries about 3 to 4 times to release their vibrant juices and essential oils. Next, pour in your 1½ ounces of spirit, 3/4 of an ounce of citrus juice, and ½ ounce of simple syrup. Fill the shaker 2/3 full with fresh ice cubes. With all your ingredients in the shaker, secure the lid tightly. Now, shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You'll know it's ready when the outside of the shaker feels frosty cold. This shaking action not only chills but also properly dilutes your drink. Finally, double strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into your pre-chilled glass, ensuring a smooth, seed-free cocktail. To complete your masterpiece, add a beautiful garnish. A few fresh raspberries floating on top or a delicate citrus twist will elevate the presentation. For an extra aromatic touch, consider a sprig of fresh mint. Serve your perfectly crafted raspberry cocktail immediately and enjoy the delightful blend of sweet and tart flavors you've created. Cheers to your mixology skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.